With Assistive Touch, you can use your Apple Watch by performing hand gestures instead of touching the screen. This video covers how to turn on Assistive Touch and how to use gestures and quick actions to get things done. You'll need an Apple Watch SE, Apple Watch Series 6 or later, with watchOS 8 or later. You can turn on Assistive Touch in the accessibility settings on your Apple Watch or on your iPhone with iOS 15 or later. In the Apple Watch app, select Accessibility and then select Assistive Touch. Turn on Assistive Touch, and then you can personalize it using the options below. You can increase the contrast, customize the menu, and more. Select hand gestures to see what each one does and customize them if you'd like. Here's what they do by default. You can pinch your pointer finger to your thumb to move to the next item on screen. Double pinch to go back one item. Quickly clench your fist to tap the selected item. And double clench to activate Assistive Touch and to open the action menu, which lets you perform complex actions like scrolling or pressing the digital crown. Now let's see how to use those gestures to navigate your Apple Watch. Raise your arm to wake your watch, and you'll see a blue ring around the screen to indicate that Assistive Touch is ready. Double clench your fist to activate it. You'll get haptic feedback, and the first item on your watch face is selected. Let's open Notification Center using the Action menu. Double clench to open the Action menu, and then you can pinch to move forward, and double pinch to move back. To tap the System menu, clench your fist, and then clench again to tap Notification Center. Now you can double pinch to move through the list of notifications, and clench to tap Clear All. Your Apple Watch shows a prompt when you can take a quick action. To answer a call or stop a timer, just double clench your fist.
I'm in the park. Come meet me.
And that's how to use Assistive Touch on Apple Watch.